Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really cute candy holder. So it opens up like this. Now mine's holding a little Lifesavers, but I'm going to show you the other kind of varieties that will fit in this little holder. So let me go ahead and grab them. So here's just a few ideas. You can put a Jolly Rancher in there, a little Tootsie Roll. You could even put the larger of the seasonal candy, like this is the, I think this is the, not the miniatures, but the snack size, I think it is. But you just make your holder a little wider. Instead of the 3 inches, you might make it 4 inches, okay? And the same with the York Peppermint Patty. It'd be really cute in there, and the Ghirardelli chocolate. And then I found some Halloween candy at the dollar store, and this would be really cute in there. So that size is perfect. And then also the miniature candies would fit in there. I think I'm going to add this one to mine today that we're going to make. And then these kind of Jolly Ranchers too that are individually wrapped. Those would fit really cute. And then of course the Lifesaver. Okay, so those are some varieties of candies that you can put in this little cute holder. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the Poppy Parade, and this is cut at 3 inches by 10, and we're going to score this together. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of Whisper White, and these are both cut at 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. And then a piece of the Santa's Workshop designer paper, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Okay, so let's grab our trimmer. Okay, so on the 10.5 inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch, 3 1/2, 4, 7, and 7 1/2. So like I had mentioned before, if you want to put like a larger piece of candy, like the Ghirardelli chocolate, I would probably make this about 4 inches wide. So you do the same scoring, it would just be cut at 4 inches, or even 4 1/2 if you want to. 4 1/2 by 10 1/2, okay? Just to hold a bigger piece of candy. All right, so let's move the trimmer. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and fold all our score lines, and we're going to burnish the edges where the score lines are with our bone folder. All right, so you can see how the holder's coming together here, just like that. All right, so now let's grab some tear and tape. We're going to put some tear and tape on this 1/2 inch score line right here. All right, now we're going to do some stamping. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Candy Cane Season stamp set, and this is available in a bundle with the Candy Cane Builder Punch. And you can buy them individually as well, but as a bundle you can save 10% when you purchase them. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to line up your images with this punch. So let me grab some scrap. Okay, so I have a piece of black cardstock here. I'm just going to punch out a template. Okay, so this is my template. Okay, so we're going to grab our stamps. We're going to grab the bow, and we're just going to flip it over. So it's probably not going to show very well on the video, but this is the side that we stamp onto our projects. So it's the back side, so we're going to flip it over, and we're going to line this up with the punched out image of the basic black that we punched out. Just going to line up our stamp with that. Okay. Then we're going to take our candy cane and do the exact same thing. So this is the side that stamps. So we're going to flip it over on the stamp side, part down. I'm going to put that inside of the punch. So this is the way the punch punches these images. So then we're going to grab our clear block, which mine looks kind of cruddy, sorry. And we're just going to pick up those images of the stamps and put them right onto the block. So now when we stamp this, it's going to line up with our punch. So now let me go ahead and grab some Whisper White. Okay, we're going to use the Poppy Parade Classic Ink. We're just going to go ahead and stamp the bow and the candy cane. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and take our outline image of the bow. Since we already stamped the bow, and this is a photopolymer stamp set, it will line up really nicely. I'm just going to pull it towards me to line it up, so I don't put my head in the camera. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and grab our punch. And it should line up really nicely. Okay, that looks pretty good. Pinch that out. All right, so there's our candy cane and our bow. Okay, so let's go ahead and stamp the greeting. This says, "'Tis the sweet season." And all I did was I'm just gonna stamp it and then I'm going to hand cut that out. Okay. Okay, so there's our greeting. All right, now we're gonna grab the big shot. So I'm just gonna center the panel where I want my framelit. All right, so we're gonna be using the layering circle framelits. We're gonna use these two sizes here. So I'm gonna cut out the straight circle first. I'm just lining that up between the two score lines. Kind of getting it centered as much as I can. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that out. Okay, so there's my circle. Now we're gonna cut out the scallop with the sparkle glimmer paper. I got that right here. So we're gonna cut out both of them together. And then while we are cutting out the sparkle glimmer paper, we're going to cut out the oval as well. The oval scallop, because this is going to be for the front of the little holder. So we're going to go ahead and cut all these out. Okay, then we're going to take a piece of Poppy Parade and we're going to cut out the oval that layers into this one really nicely. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out. This is going to be for the front. Okay, so that's all the big shots. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and layer our Whisper White and our designer paper together. This is going to be for the front, right here. Then we're going to layer our ovals together, just like that. You could also use your liquid glue if you wanted to layer these pieces together. Okay, this is going to go on the front of the holder. So our oval is going to go like this. The front. Okay, so for my candy cane and my bow and my greeting, I'm going to be using the little mini dimensionals. Let me go ahead and put those on. I'm going to put this right across the candy cane, just like that. And then we're going to take our bow, stuck to the paper here, and put that right on here. Isn't that cute? This kind of finishes it off. Then we're just going to go ahead and peel off the backing of our tear and tape. Score line right here, which is the second score line, and then we're just going to fold this over just like that. And then this is going to make your little peekaboo window there for the candy. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to put our candy in. So let me see here. We're going to use the, I think I want to put the little miniature candy in here. So you're going to attach the candy, whatever you're using, you're just going to attach it with the glue dot. So it just holds it in place, but yet it's easy to get it off. Let me see. I think I want to put it this way. All right, yep, we're just gonna set this inside of our little cubby hole here. Oh, no. Let's move it over. About right. Let's move it over a little bit more. Press it down. There we go. How cute. Isn't that adorable? Little piece of candy in here. So now I cut another piece of Whisper White, which is the 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, to put on the inside. So if you want to make a little note, or you can actually put it on the back side as well. Just going to put this right in here, just like that. So cute. What a little sweet little treat holder. So then here's the other one using the little lifesaver inside. All right, so that's how you make that really cute candy holder. I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.